right there. This is the LAVBELLA. This is a comfortable and easy clean brush for your pet. Woo! There's pet brush, round, nice chrome at the bottom. You have the trigger right here. Look at that trigger action. Nice. When you push this button, it pushes this up. Very cool pet brush. You push this up and all the hair comes to top, so it's easy to clean. You open this part right here and you can clean the inside too. Very easy. This one, you can just clean it with water or just pull out the hair, your choice. Very easy to put back in. You just push this down right here and you push it snaps in. Pet brush right here. The LAVBELLA pet brush. Very nice handle, very smooth plastic. You have one trigger right here that push this on top. Push that up right there. All the hair pulls up to the top and you can take out the hair very easy. This is very safe and comfortable for your pet. Nice, easy handle right here to push and pull out the hair. The LAVBELLA pet brush. Very comfortable to use, very comfortable for your pet, very clean and safe and easy to clean. By pushing this button, the hair comes up on top and you take out the hair. If you want to clean the brush, you push right here and this thing pops open. You can clean underneath right here. When you want to put it back in together, push this down and snap in place and you're back to action. The LAVBELLA cat brush, dog brush, pet brush right here. Oh yeah.